Hey YouTube, this is Tom with TT Tommy's Travels. Just coming to show you a quick video. This was from 2 years ago before I started a channel. It's our trip to Cebu, and we went to the Taoist temple. Then we went to the Temple of Leia. We went to Tapa Cebu restaurant. And then we went to Bawakan de Alejandra Balambam, which is a garden. It's not the largest garden. There's another one, I forgot the name of that I went to that was larger, but a really nice flower garden that we walked through, and I did some videos and some pictures, and just wanted to share this. Like I said, this is a travel channel, and haven't really been doing much traveling, but this was from 2 years ago before I started a channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like, subscribe, comment, and stick around. I'll be right back. Last time I was here, they wouldn't let anybody in because of COVID. But this is the Taoist temple in Cebu. We're at the Temple of Leia again. I was here a year and a half ago, but it was not a Saturday and not a holiday, so it was a lot less crowded. But again, this was built, a gentleman and his wife, I can't remember their names, we just got here, used to travel the world, and then when she passed away...
Tom?
Hey!
Pretty nice, eh?
When she passed away, he carved out a piece of the mountain and built this in remembrance of her, and it's all full of things that they had collected on their world travels. And what I like about it is this view. Like I said, last time I was here, it was a lot less crowded. But this is the view. Cebu. Again, you see Lapu-Lapu. A lot more crowded than when I was here. There's nobody here. Again, it's a Saturday, plus it's one of the many, many, many holidays that they have here in the Philippines. A beautiful place. And souvenir shop. Last time I was here, all you could basically do was walk around outside, but they have half of it open, so you can actually come inside and see all the stuff. Look, but don't touch. Last time I was here, you couldn't come in these. You had to just look from the outside. This is Leia here, and her husband. There's a picture of Leia. And this is all the stuff that riches that they stored there. Wow, this all around the world shopping and collecting. And then he built this temple to store all of her stuff, all the little statuettes there. Yeah, see, last time I was here, hello, you couldn't come in here. You just walked around, looked in the outside. Like next door, I saw a lot of stuff over there still broken because of the typhoon. Collected a lot of stuff over the years. The other half is still closed. See a lot of damaged stuff over there from the typhoon 2 years ago.
Try to look at the expensive things.
Trying to. Yeah, this thing for vases. Is that a wash tub?
It's a urinal.
A urinal?
That is what it is.
She had a thing for vases. And big plates.
Bit of a trip hazard with these things, huh?
Yeah.
Almost stepped on it.
There goes just a wash basin. He said, no, it's a urinal.
Ano yung mga kamera? May camera dito. Hindi ka makabasta-basta.
A lot of money in here. And this is only half of it. Top of Cebu restaurant again. Although last time I sat down there, it was at night. They don't open up until 5 p.m. down there. But look at that view. And last time I was here, it was nighttime. There's Lapu-Lapu Island. Spectacular view. And that's new. They're building a huge building right next door. At the Cebu restaurant. Up in the mountains of Cebu, and we're at El Alejandra Flower Garden. It's a lot smaller than the other one that I went to up here, but still beautiful and cool. It's like free air conditioning up here. Alright, now we're just walking on the bridge. So cool here. Cool temperature-wise, cool.
Alex, patuloy kami.
Agi sa amin aram nindot.
And it's spectacular view. And then they have a restaurant up there too.
And who is Alejandra again? Oh. We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find.